Hi friends. So now we are going to next problem in first chapter, that is real number, that is on the NCERT book page number 10, example 6 that he had given in our textbook. Okay, the question is find LCM and HCF of 6 and 20 by the prime factorization method. It is a simple, he is given that we have to find LCM and HCF of 6 and 20 by prime factorizing the given numbers. Simple, we have done this question from your 5th standard. Let us do the example. First, we have to find the prime factors of 6 and 20. By prime factorization method, he is telling that. So by prime factorization method, we have to find 2, 3. So 3, 1. So here 6 equal to 2 into 3, 2 raised to 1, 3 raised to 1. As a power, these are having 1. 2 is also 1, 3 is also 1. Come to here, 0 is there, 2 is the factor. So 2 tens are, 2 5s are. So 20 is equal to 2 into 5. If you write in power form, 2 raised to 2 into 5. Okay friends. Now we have to find LCM and HCF of these two numbers. So in our previous video, we have studied what is HCF. HCF is a least power of common factor in the number. So in the number, in a prime factor, common prime factors in the number. So least power, common factors are, here also 2 is there, here also 2 is there. So if you consider HCF, least power of common prime factor, here is 2 is there, 2 is there, 2 is a common factor. So in here you consider 2 raised to 2, here 2 raised to 1, where is the least power of common factor 2 in these two? Here. 2's power is 1 here, 2's power is 2 here, means here it is having a least power, common factor, prime factor is 2, here 2 is having a least power, that is 1. So 2, no more common factor is not there, so only 2 is there. So 2 is the HCF of these two. Next, if you come to LCM, what the definition says? Highest power of all numbers, each numbers involved in number. So here and here, how many prime factors are there? All factors, highest power we have to take. All factors we have to take. And in those factors, highest power we have to take. For example, 2 is there on every, here 2 is there, here also 2 is there. So in these two, highest power is what? Of 2? 2 raised to 2. So for LCM, this is 2 raised to 2, first one. Next, 3 is there. It should see here, for LCM, common factor we are not telling. We are telling all numbers. So 2 is there, 2 we have taken, 3 is there, 3 we have taken, 5 is there, 5 we have to take. Like that, all numbers we have to take, but the condition is those numbers highest power we have to take. So highest power is 2 raised to 2 here, and the next number is 3. 3 here is not, 3 is not there. So the highest power of 3 is 1 only. So into 3 raised to 1. Okay. Next come to the next prime factor, that is 5. Here it is not 5, 5 here is there. So we have to take all numbers. So 5 we have to take. So the highest power of 5 is here 1. So it should be 5 raised to 1. Okay. What will be the LCM? 4 into 3 into 5. So now 4 3s are 12. So it is 12 5s are 60 is the LCM of 6 and 20. Okay friends, he had told this method we have to find the LCM and HCF. Now see friends, when you consider HCF and LCM, you are going to find one more formula here on the basis of HCF and LCM. That formula is, consider HCF into LCM is equal to, if you have taken A as this and B as this, it is A into B. This is the formula that we are going to use this formula in your next period. So that is, the multiplication of LCM and HCF is equal to the multiplication of two given number. This is the formula friends. So let us check it. So HCF here is 2 and LCM here is 60. So this become 120. Consider here number is 6 and B is 20. So it is 120. Isn't it friends? Here both value is same. So the formula is HCF equal to LCM equal to A into B. How it is possible? See here friends, HCF is having 2 and LCM is 60. If you consider the prime factors here, what are the prime factors? 2 raised to 2. 60 is prime factors. 60 is prime factors into 3 raised to 1 into 5 raised to 1. Okay friends, so what it means? 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 5. Okay, come to here, 120 is multiplied by 6 and 20. So the prime factors of 6 are 2 and 3. 2 and 3 into prime factors of 20s are 2 into 2 into 5. So see here, how many 2's are there? 1, 2, 3 2's are there. 3 2's are here. 1 3 is there and 1 3 is here. 5 is there, 5 is there. So when you consider this formula, the prime factors on both sides, they are equal on the basis of HCF and LCM. But in some condition it is not equal. I will show you in our next video how they are not equal in some extra special conditions. But almost this formula is applicable to all the numbers. Okay friends, bye.